Hi everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel Study with Soumya. I hope you are doing extremely well. Well guys, in this video we are going to solve some previous year verbal ability questions for TCS NQT 2023 batch. So before proceeding further to the video guys, if you haven't subscribed this channel till now, so make sure to do subscribe this channel and press the notification bell. I ensure that the channel is really going to be very helpful for you and for your placement preparation. And also do join our Telegram channel. The link is given in the description itself, right? So moving on to the very first question. So the very first question is, so first let me take the pen. So the very first question is, change the voice of the following sentence. Means you have to change either in passive voice if it is given in the active voice, or change in the active voice if it is given in the passive voice. Change the flat tire, right? So this is given in the active voice and we have to change it in the passive voice. So what are the rules? So this is in the past tense. So the past change is change in was and were, right? So this will become our subject. This will become our subject. So the flat tire, so it will be converted as the flat tire. The flat tire was changed by Swapnil, right? So where it is, tire has changed by Swapnil? No, because there is no use of has and the flat tire. So the flat tire is changing by Swapnil? No. The flat tire was changed by Swapnil? Yes, this is the correct answer. So I hope it is clear to you. Moving on to the next question. Again the next question is, change the voice of the following sentence, right? So Rahul committed a mistake. So first of all we have to start with this. So a mistake committed means second form, right? It means it is from past tense. Was committed by, guys do not consider my handwriting, committed by Rahul, right? So this will become the correct answer. A mistake was committed by Rahul. Moving on to the next question. Next question is, what is the synonym of following word? So vocation. See, this is not vacation, right? This is vocation. Vocation means our profession or our related to career, right? So what will be the synonym of this? So the synonym of this is profession. Why don't leave? Because leave is chutti, right? This is not vacation, right? See, this is vocation. So vocation is related to career or related to your occupation or related to your profession. So the synonym of vocation will be profession. Why don't leave? Because it is chutti. Holidays means chutti. Or virtue is completely different. Virtue means gun, right? What are the attributes in us, right? That will be virtue. So the correct answer will be profession. Moving on to the next question. Next question is, what is the synonym of the following words? So this is erratic. So this is erratic means which is moving again and again, means which is not static, right? So वेरिएंट इज अगेन मूविंग अगेन एंड अगेन, मतलब जो चीज़ गति में है, गतिशील है, राइट? वेरिएंट. सो दिस विल बी द सिनोनिम ऑफ, व्हाट इज द सिनोनिम guys? Here this should be antonium, right? This should be antonium. So this is the synonym of that erratic. Erratic means गतिशील, लगातार बदलने वाला. Concurrent is like something which is moving parallelly, so it is again गतिशील, right? So this is also that synonym in a way, right? humble is completely different because humble is विनम्र, जिसका बिहेवियर बहुत ही शांत हो, बहुत ही अच्छा, मतलब एकदम शांत रहने वाला. एंड कंसिस्टेंट मीन्स स्टैटिक, जो स्थिर हो. तो दैट विल बी द सिनोनिम ऑफ एरेटिक. सो द करेक्ट आंसर विल बी कंसिस्टेंट, राइट? मूविंग ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Next question is, identify the error or no error, right? If there is an error, then identify the error, otherwise put the no error. So Ram had been married with the doctor for 5 years. So up till here Ram had been married, there is no any kind of error, with the doctor for 5 years. For 5 years because it is the past tense, because this tense is related to past, right? So for is absolutely correct. So are you guys thinking about here since? So there is no use of since because it is related to past tense. So here for is absolutely correct. Now with a doctor, so this is the second form, right? Second or third form of verb marriage, right? If we use marriage, right, marriage, then we can use the with, right? But when we use the third form or second form of marriage, then we will use to, right? Married to. Ram had been married to a doctor for 5 years, right? So there is no use of with. So error जो है इस वाले part में with a doctor, right? Moving on to the next question. Next question is paragraph formation. Sanket was basically we have to format a paragraph and then the answer we will answer this following question, right? So the very first line is Sanket was shocked. This is a para-jumbled paragraph. We have to first format this paragraph, then we will answer that question. Sanket was shocked on realizing that his wrist had lost sensation. Okay. When he tried to move his wrist was not moving. He had to sit down till he got an instant help. It was almost midnight, so nobody heard his voice. A glass was fell down from Sanket's hand due to a sudden wrist sprain. After this realization, Sanket was very tense, so he called someone for help. Okay. So, what is the question is? Question is, what will be the starting line of this paragraph? So, द वेरी फर्स्ट लाइन ऑफ पैराग्राफ इज सो सबसे पहले हमारा जो रोल होता है सेंटेंस मेकिंग का रूल होता है दैट वी हैव टू फाइंड सब्जेक्ट. सो एज वी कैन सी हियर दैट हियर इज द सब्जेक्ट संकेत, बट व्हेन वी रीड दिस सेंटेंस attentively, right? Sanket was shocked on realizing that his wrist had lost sensation. But उसकी wrist ने sensation खो कैसे दिया, उसका कोई reason तो रहा होगा. And then when we proceed further, right, when he tried to move his wrist, so there is no any kind of relation between the previous tense, right? He had to sit down. There is nothing that can be relatable with previous one. It was almost midnight, so nobody heard his voice. Which voice? Whose voice, right? So there is no any relation. Now here see, a glass was fell down from Sanket's hand due to a sudden wrist sprain. तो यहाँ से ऐसा लग रहा है कि यहाँ से एक नई कहानी शुरू हुई है कि एक ग्लास गिर गया संकेत से हैंड से, अचानक उसके रिस्ट में स्प्रेन हुआ. देन वी कम हेयर एंड देन सी संकेत वॉज शॉक्ड ऑन रियलाइजिंग दैट हिज रिस्ट हैड लॉस्ट सेंसेशन. तब उसको पता चला कि उसकी रिस्ट ने सेंसेशन खो दिया है. सो द वेरी फर्स्ट लाइन ऑफ दिस पैराग्राफ इज A glass fell down from Sanket's hand and due to a sudden wrist sprain. क्यों गिरा उसके हाथ से ग्लास? Due to a sudden wrist sprain. So the very first line of this paragraph is a glass fell down from Sanket's hand due to a sudden wrist sprain, right? So the correct answer is option number C, which is 5. Okay, moving ahead. So sentence correction. All students were introduced with the new teacher. So here are three options: has introduced, introduced and were introduced. So as we can see here that all students are plural and we can't use was with the plural form, right? So we have to use were, right? We have to use were. So the correct sentence will be all students were introduced with the new teacher. Okay. Silly mistake थी, done हो गई. Okay, moving on to the next question. Next question is fill-ups with the help of options. Okay, the artificial intelligence is rapidly evolving technology and any other technology it can challenges with respect to dash implementation and management. Okay, so first of all we have to fill this blank, right? We have to fill this blank. The artificial intelligence is rapidly evolving. So for first blank you have to choose within three options, this, right? We have to choose within the three options, this. Wait, yes. So the artificial intelligence is rapidly evolving technology. So it is clear that there should be a use of either definite article or the indefinite article, right? So if we use definite article then this doesn't make any sense that the artificial intelligence is the rapidly evolving technology. So this is not making any sense. So the will not come here, and we know that an is come when there is a vowel, right? So R is consonant, so there will be A, right? So the correct option is A. So here A will be placed, right? Moving ahead, the artificial intelligence is a rapidly evolving technology and any other technology, right? So and likely any other technology doesn't make any sense, and like any other technology it can, right? So this makes sense. Likeness is again doesn't make any sense, so like is making sense, so there will be like will take place, right? And it can challenges with respect to dash implementation and management. So here is the third blank. So third is it can pose challenges with respect to, yes it makes sense, but again read ahead. It can pose challenges, pose doesn't make any sense. It can position challenges, doesn't make any sense, then pose will be the correct option for the third blank, right? Moving ahead, with respect to implementation and management. So with respect to its implementation and management, it is really a tongue sitter word, right? So it will be the correct option. Given the interconnectivity required and the large volumes of data generated, setting up an AI ecosystem can be complex task. So given the advanced interconnectivity required or advancing interconnectivity required or advancement interconnectivity required. So advancement is not making any sense here, and also advancing, there is no use of ing in this sentence, right? So the correct option will be advanced. I hope it is clear to you. So in the very first fill up, the artificial intelligence, now हम इन सारे ब्लैंक्स को बैठा कर देख लेते हैं. द आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस इज अ रैपिडली इवॉल्विंग टेक्नोलॉजी एंड लाइक एनी अदर टेक्नोलॉजी इट कैन pose challenges with respect to its implementation and management. Given the advanced interconnectivity required and the large volumes of data generated, setting up an AI ecosystem can be complex task, right? So this is done. Moving ahead, which of the following sentence use formal language? So this is one kind of very favorite questions that mostly asked in TCS, that which of the following sentence is in informal language or in formal language. So first of all, see what is the rules of formal language. So formal language doesn't use shortcuts, right? Shortcuts like can't, right? Cannot, can't, shouldn't. This type of words formal language never use, right? Also in formal language, we, you, these type of words generally used, not I, he और she. मतलब I वाला यूज कम ही होता है, we यूज होता है, right? Also informal, what is the meaning of informal? Informal is our daily language, like when we talk to our friends, our family members, our batchmates, right? On formal language is the language which we use to talk in our office or in our professional life, right? So that will be a formal language. So now let's see what are the sentences. So did you locate your office quite easily? ओके, here should be a question mark. Did you locate your office quite easily? अभी इसके 1 मिनट के लिए इसको छोड़ देते हैं, क्योंकि हमको थोड़ा सा लग रहा है कि हाँ ये फॉर्मल हो सकता है. बट नाउ मूविंग अहेड, you will be working with different managers during your training. Now while seeing training, you can consider it as formal language. But guys, you are making mistakes if you think so, because there will be a shortcut use here. So this is the part of informal language, not a formal language, right? So this is not the correct option. Now moving ahead, we shall endeavor to inform you of the position in 2 weeks. So as we can see here that there is a use of we, and endeavor, this is a kind of technical word to inform you the position in 2 weeks, right? So this should be a formal language. Okay, इसको 1 मिनट के लिए अभी रख लेते हैं. Now is there anything else you want to ask? Sorry, there should be ask. Is there anything else you want to ask? So this kind of language is cannot be used in formal language. Okay, this kind of language we can use in our informal language. So this is not part of formal language. So this is the informal language. Now this option and this option are making confusing, right? So did you locate your office quite easily? So it is not the correct form of asking the question, because this is little bit like informal, right? So here we can see that there is a use of some technical words. We shall endeavor to inform you of the position in 2 weeks, position of which job role you are assigning to, and so and so, right? So this is the formal language. Okay, so this is all about for this video. I hope all the questions are clear to you, but guys, if you still have doubts, then you are feel free to ask me in the comment section. Okay, I will reply you for sure, right? So guys, this is all for today. We will meet in the next video. Until then, bye bye and take care. And guys, if you are new to this channel, so don't forget to turn on the subscribe button as well as the bell icon. Okay, so